Ironing settings in FDM 3D printing technology, the top surfaces of models often show visible line marks. These marks are particularly undesirable on flat surfaces from an aesthetic point of view. This is where the ironing feature comes in. Ironing minimizes these lines and helps us achieve a much smoother top surface. How does ironing work? The ironing process takes place after the top layer of the model is completed. The nozzle passes over the surface again at the same Z height, but with a low flow rate. During this process, the nozzle's heat and the small amount of extruded material help fill in the gaps between the lines, flattening and smoothing the surface. Types of ironing. Bambu Studio offers 3 different ironing types. All top surfaces. All top surfaces of the model are ironed. Topmost surface only. Only the very last layer is ironed. All solid layers. All solid layers, including top, bottom, and infill, are ironed. This method is rarely used because it can significantly increase the printing time. Ironing mode and detailed settings. Pattern type. Ironing can be performed with straight lines, rectilinear, or with a circular pattern, concentric. Ironing speed. This is the movement speed of the nozzle during ironing. Slower speeds generally yield better results. Ironing flow, the amount of material extruded during ironing. Too high material buildup, too low insufficient smoothing. Line spacing, distance between ironing lines. A value smaller than the nozzle diameter is recommended. Ironing inset defines how far inside from the edges the ironing is performed. Helps prevent material buildup at the edges. Direction determines the direction of ironing lines. A 45 degrees angle is generally recommended. This option becomes available when advanced mode is enabled. Important considerations. Print time. Ironing can significantly increase print time, especially on large surfaces. Thermal buildup. Low speed and low flow rate can cause heat to build up around the nozzle, potentially leading to clogs. Adhesion. The nozzle applies more pressure on the top layer during ironing, so good bed adhesion is important. Surface shape. Ironing is only effective on flat top surfaces. It may not give the desired result on sloped or curved surfaces. When should ironing be used? Recommended to use when aesthetically smooth top surfaces are desired. On models with flat top surfaces. Ideal for high-quality prototypes or display models. Not recommended to use on sloped or curved top surfaces. When print time is critical. When printing with materials that have low softening temperatures. Ironing can provide a noticeable improvement on top surfaces. However, it delivers the best results when used with the right models and settings. Now, let's see if this setting really works in practice. In the next video, we'll explore wall generator settings, which allow us to shape the structure of outer walls, affecting everything from print strength to visual appearance. See you next video.